This is 100,000 US dollars, and the question is, how long does it take you to earn and save 100,000 US dollars in different countries? In the United Kingdom, you need to work for 32 months to make 100,000 US dollars and save it. In Germany, you can earn 100,000 US dollars and save it within 26 months. If you can go to the Far East, Japan, you can save 100,000 US dollars within 28 months. However, it takes only 10 months in Australia to make 100,000 US dollars and save it. These figures are not based on 65,000 US dollars per year salary, working full-time average job, and save $5,000 for 20 years. The estimation is for a single person work as a self-employed. In Dubai, it takes around 22 months to save up to 100,000 US dollars and attain the milestone. In South Africa, you need to work for 44 months to make 100,000 US dollars and save it. If you travel far north to Norway, you can save 100,000 US dollars within 18 months. While living in France, it takes around 22 months to earn and save 100,000 US dollars. If you go to South America, Brazil, it takes an average of 140 months to save 100,000 US dollars. In the United States, it takes around 18 months to save $100,000. In Canada, you need 24 months to earn 100,000 US dollars and save it.